Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to maximize space and keep your kitchen organized, you're in the right place. Today we're counting down the top 5 kitchen dish drying racks that are perfect for every home. Whether you have limited counter space or need a multifunctional drying rack, we've got options to suit all your needs. These picks are not only practical but also stylish, adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Let's dive in and find the perfect dish drying rack for you.
Upgrade your kitchen with the Kitcher Extendable Dish Rack. Offering ample space for drying dishes of all sizes, its expandable design fits any counter, while the built-in cutlery and cup holders keep everything organized. Crafted from durable materials, it's both stylish and functional, making post-meal cleanup a breeze.
The 2-tier dish drying rack is a space-saving, multifunctional solution for your kitchen counter. With ample room for plates, utensils, and more, it optimizes your dish organization. Its rust-resistant design and built-in drainage keep your countertop dry and spotless, a perfect blend of practicality and modern kitchen style.
Dish drying rack, space-saving dish rack, dish racks for kitchen counter with drain board. Maximize your counter space with this space-saving dish drying rack, designed to neatly organize plates, bowls, and utensils. The built-in drain board ensures water flows away effortlessly, keeping your kitchen dry and clean. Crafted with durable materials, it's both practical and stylish, making it a perfect addition to any kitchen.
Expandable stainless steel dish rack with drain board set. Upgrade your kitchen with this expandable stainless steel dish drying rack. Designed to fit any counter, it features a built-in drain board to keep surfaces dry and clutter-free. Durable and rust-resistant, this organizer holds dishes, utensils, and more with ease. A sleek, space-saving solution for every kitchen.
The Affix Wall Large, Expandable Dish Drying Rack is your ultimate kitchen companion, designed to handle all your drying needs. Its adjustable design fits any counter space, expanding for more capacity when needed. With rust-proof construction and efficient drainage, it keeps your kitchen clean and organized. Elevate your dish drying game with this stylish, multifunctional solution.